Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we explore the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to a game-changing tool that's making serious waves online, Raphael AI. Imagine having access to the world's first fully free and unlimited AI image generator. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's exactly what Raphael AI is offering. No paywalls, no watermarks, and the quality is surprisingly impressive. In today's crowded AI scene, finding a tool that's completely free and unlimited is like finding a needle in a haystack. But this tool stands out by providing endless generations without any hidden costs. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who loves experimenting with visuals, Raphael AI has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at the interface. Raphael AI proudly displays 100% free, powered by Flux.1-dev, no login required, and unlimited generations. It's straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone. Creating your masterpiece is a breeze with the AI image generator box. You can craft your prompt effortlessly and even toggle a switch for a negative prompt if you want to exclude certain elements. Plus, there's a content safety toggle to ensure your creations stay appropriate. The toolbar is packed with customization options. Aspect ratio, choose between square, wide, or tall spectrums. Style, with 16 different styles, you can explore realistic photography, 3D renders, anime, and much more. Color, adjust the color palette to match your vision. Light, select from 10 different lighting options to perfect your scene. Composition, 7 unique compositions like macro photography, blurry backgrounds, and more. Need a fresh start? Just hit the clear button to reset your prompt box. Feeling stuck? Click Random Prompt for instant inspiration. Once you're ready, hit Generate and watch Raphael AI bring your ideas to life. But that's not all. Raphael AI lets you get inspired by what others are creating. Browse through a gallery of images from fellow creators, and when you find something you love, simply click on it to automatically copy the prompt into your box. It's a fantastic way to spark new ideas and collaborate creatively. To give you a better idea of how powerful Raphael AI is, let me share examples, prompts you can try out. A breathtaking fantasy landscape with towering crystal mountains. Negative prompt, no modern buildings, no pollution, no dark colors. Raphael AI allows you to refine your images and download them without any pesky watermarks. This means you get clean, professional quality images every single time. An intricate steampunk-inspired invention with gears, cogs, and brass elements. The device is detailed with steam vents and vintage gauges, set against a Victorian-era workshop background. Raphael AI prioritizes privacy with zero data retention. Your prompts and images are deleted instantly. We tested it, and a simple refresh wipes all generated content, keeping your creativity secure. While this powerful tool might not stay free forever, right now, it's one of the best no-cost AI image generators available. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Raphael AI offers the tools you need to create stunning visuals without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Give that a try and unleash your creativity today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.